from. Look at that. ये अंकल कहाँ बीच में खड़ा है. Oh, this is so good. Perfect background.
One world, one ride.
Hey, hi guys, this is Devashi here again, and today I'm gonna do an unboxing of a very special product. This is again to do with lights. It's called Eclipse by Summer Mount Up. Here, I'm gonna do the unboxing of this. What are these lights for? These lights are fitted on the handlebar bar end. You have that. I'll show it to you what the bar end is, and it can be fitted in lot many bikes. It can fit on a KTM, Enfield, BMW. Try karega. I hope it fits on my BMW. Tiger, they're fitted on a Versys. Below is the description. You can go through the videos. Very well explained. What is the light all about by the manufacturer. Designed by a rider. His name is Mr. Melvin Parmar. He's a friend of mine. He gave me this box yesterday, and he told me if I could unbox it and put it on my motorcycle. Yeah, I would love to do it. A, he's my friend, and B, it's an Indian product. So I would love to promote such kind of brilliant ideas. If you see the video of his, what he has prepared about the product, you will get an idea why I got excited to put this on my motorcycle. So now, before wasting any time, let's unbox this thing. Okay? Okay. There's a nice little letter, envelope. The company is called Summer Mount Up. Eclipse, I think this is, you can read this, I hope it's clear. I think this is the sticker you can put, and I believe this is the installation manual. एक पेज में ही आ जाता है. Good. Now for the product. Okay, so what have we here? These are the. I'm just removing this. Okay. These are the handlebar ends, right? Alrighty. Quite heavy. Good material. The only issue is I don't know how far this will stand. But and this gets lit up. Where you have this. This should be. It will turn white when it's a daytime running light, and it's also acts as an indicator. So yeah, you have this lovely note on this envelope from the manufacturer and the instructions manual. I think you need to put it from inside. You got to put this through the handlebar, clamp it on the end of the handlebar, and you have to connect this to your indicators. Right now, I have this. This is the thing. The only problem with me is will be how will I put it on my BMW? Whether this fits the BMW. 50-50 chances. कल टेक्नीशियन आएगा तो बताएगा. let's see how it goes, and if it fits, I think this will be the best product. Best part, it is made in India, it is manufactured by my friend, and yeah, I would like to promote such brilliant product. And I would say the best part of this lights is it's a brilliant piece of work, and it is designed by a rider. So I hope you understand this, and it is very affordable. And I think all the riders who ride at night, who are into hardcore riding, they should have this piece. And who are into show off also, then also you can have this, because it looks pretty good. So let me try and fix it on my GS. If it gets fixed, keeping my fingers crossed. If it gets fixed, then I'm sorted. Okay, then tomorrow again Anand is gonna come and he's gonna fix it for me. Let's see whether he can fix it or not. Fingers crossed. Okay guys, so here I am in my garage again, और मेरे बाइक में फिट नहीं हुई. Anyways, so मेरे फ्रेंड के बाइक में फिट हो गई है. It looks nice. Let me introduce my friend. This is Heram. So Heram, say hi.
Hi.
Acha. He is a creative producer for Bajirao. Comes in Sony TV. Please do watch.
Please.
Bajirao, na?
Watch 7:30 and 10.
7:30 and 10.
Yeah.
अच्छा यार. Huh? I love the serial. अच्छा, historic. Anyways, please watch Bajirao and let's come down to the product. ये देखो क्या मस्त दिखता है. हाँ, this is the daytime running and lights on.
Lights off कर दे.
Lights off कर दे. हाँ. वाह, है? अच्छा ये इसका इंडिकेटर लगा ना, पार्किंग इंडिकेटर. Wow. So, as you can see, this usually this is the blind spot. This exactly is the blind spot for the riders. क्योंकि आगे का indicator is not seen much. So this is what is gonna identify the rider. So here you have this indicators. This is at times कोई बाइक यहाँ से आई तो you never know. Anyways, it is a safety thing. Lights on. Manually हुआ by the way. So now we're gonna test it on road. I'm gonna remove my. मेरा इसमें नहीं लगा. Why? Because this thing has a hole here. As you can see, there's a hole here, so the wire comes out from here and then goes to the signal light. And here I don't have any holes whatsoever on my handlebar, and I didn't want to do it. Anyways, so let's try out. Let's try out on street. Where is it? Okay, so let's try out on street and देखते हैं how does it look like. Yeah. Okay, so you can see the lights. Yeah. So look at that. It is much more visible. The daytime running lights are fantastic. And this is the blind spot I'm talking about. So as you can see, भाई इंडियन प्रोडक्ट है, इंडियन मैन्युफैक्चरर है. But then see, this is a good product. That is what I feel. And definitely do support him by buying it. I am seriously upset because it is not going to fit my motorcycle. That's why I'm a bit yaar. And no ways you can fit it. I was trying to fit it somewhere else. Where else can I? Look at this morons. हेलमेट नहीं पहनेंगे, कुछ नहीं पहनेंगे, सब मोवाली जैसे चलाएंगे साले. Anyways, I wish I could fit it somewhere, but then I don't think there's any chances. of fitting it. But yes, look at this from behind also. It looks pretty good. And it's quite... I need to ask him about, while riding, what is his take on that. Turn. Look at that. Turn ke waqt. Huh? Nice, na? Wow. Really like it. Look at that. ये अंकल कहाँ बीच में खड़ा है. Oh, this is so good. Perfect. Perfect background. मस्त है भाई. आहो. ऐसे नीचे उतरते. आहो. So. Mount Mary Chowk. You can see that. I'm sure you can see this. कितना अच्छा से है ना. इंडिकेटर भी दिखता ना और हैंडल बार भी दिखता. नाइस. यार मेरे बाइक में क्यों नहीं लगी. Look at that. रुक जा भाई. Okay guys, now I will be signing off from here. Do watch Bajirao. Do buy the Eclipse. It's a very good product. अच्छा है यार. कोई
बहुत अच्छा है.
बहुत अच्छा प्रोडक्ट. अच्छा वो टेल मी हेरम.
हाँ.
वो आँख वाँख में लगता नहीं है क्या ऐसा, like when you are riding so that
Initially it did.
हाँ.
Now I'm just used to it. But it feels good. Yeah, even at least you also know where you are turning.
Yeah, I know.
So it's good.
अच्छा, so try buying that. It's a very good product. मेरा bad luck, मेरा बाइक में नहीं बैठा. Anyways, चलो कोई बात नहीं, मेरे भाई के बाइक में तो बैठा. I'm quite happy about it. So I'm gonna sign off. See you. Goodbye. See you. Goodbye, and stay blessed. Bye bye.
One world, one ride.